Hi there, 8th graders. It's Mr. Kerr getting ready for week 5 here, and I hope you all had a great time watching those great Denver Bronco and Colorado Buffalo football wins this weekend. As we get going into week 5, we're going to be talking about transfer of power, party fighting, some kind of weird stuff around the fighting thing, but you'll get it as we go through it. Just as we start out, like we do every week, check your grades, check your messages, and go in and get your emails and text messages and all of that. So those are the things you should be doing. This week is a little bit different. We do not have a quiz this week, so I'm not going to ask you to do that. I am definitely going to ask you to read through all the material for the week before you get started on everything. Read your the intro piece. Go through, you don't have to watch all the videos and do all the readings, but just kind of go through everything for the week. We're only going to have 2 assignments. One is going to be a discussion board that's going to be based on the second assignment, called the historical head, and so you need to know what that is and a little bit about it. Even though it doesn't really say to start the historical head midterm project until Wednesday, you really need to be thinking about it all week. So it's really important that you go through everything on Monday morning, kind of get a plan in place, go over the suggested schedule. And as always, the suggested schedule is Monday through Friday. You will have 7 days to complete it. But the suggested schedule is just the 5 days, of course, to encourage you to get everything done Monday through Friday. Hey, just a couple of things here in the Start Here folder, as we've talked about over the first 5 weeks. All this important stuff, course and instructor info, first 4 assignments, tips, tricks, and students. Resources. If you ever have any questions, this is probably the place you should go first. I found that 90% of all questions can be answered somewhere in this folder here. Also, just wanted to point out, first 4 assignments, we've had some new students join us, and also other people go back. Go back to this orientation discussion. Just see if there's anything you want to add. See that meet our new folks coming in and everything, but that's where you find that. Okay, Unit 1, Week 5, Transfer of Power. And as always, do the README first. Go through all of this. Go through the whole week, of course. Couple of things I want to point out. So our vocabulary this week, this is not to turn in, but here is the vocabulary. Here are 4 very important people for what we're talking about this week in our transfer of power, and kind of going from our first president to our second president and potentially our third president. So just make sure you go over this vocab. You're going to need it for the discussion board anyways. And let me pop back up here real quick. Day 2, going through this. So the discussion board, these are the 3 questions you're going to answer. And notice that you have to know what you're doing for the historical head project in order to complete the discussion board. So as you go through that, just make sure you know what you're doing. Read the directions carefully. Make sure you include your 5 vocab words. Figure out why we have Lego characters dueling with each other. This is all part of what's happening this week. But make sure you are reading all of the directions very carefully. By the time we get, and I don't have, let's see here, we have the historical head project here on day 4. So first of all, here are all of the directions. And the directions are here too on either a Word document or a Google document. Also, here's an audio. So if you'd like, you can listen to me reading the directions to you here. So we have them various ways. But basically, what you're going to do is you are going to create a historical head. And what is that, you ask? Well, as you open this up, and so obviously it has all the same directions, but then you'll find this actual historical head. So as you go through the directions, and I'm not going to read them again because you can get the audio, but basically you're going to choose one important person who used or was influenced or was influenced by power during this time period that we're studying right now, and you're going to find various artifacts to put in this person's head and show it visually. There are options here. If you're not real sure about how to do this, or you're having technical problems, don't worry. I'm more concerned about you finding the actual artifacts and then going through this presentation, writing, and content. And the writing is very, very important. Okay. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you're going through everything. Use the audio instructions as needed, and go Broncos, go Buffaloes. Talk to you soon. Thanks.